You can add either vanilla ice cream, and for my apple cobbler I use whipped cream. Guten appetit! So yes, we're back. This is the way how to make an easy apple cobbler recipe. These are the ingredients I have here. I will still have to cut 170 grams of butter, around 15 grams of baking powder, and 2 packs of vanilla sugar, 240 grams of flour, and I use here 4 pieces of medium-sized apple, 100 grams of sugar, vanilla for aroma, nutmeg, Zimt, Zimt, what is it? 1 lemon, yeah. So okay, let's start baking apple cobbler. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe. Let's get started. And thank you for dropping by in my kitchen. And for today, I would like to cook or to bake American apple cobbler, the easy way how to do an apple cobbler. I already cut the apples. This is around 4 pieces of apples. I didn't remove the skin. I just cut the middle part and the seeds because I think the skin is a very important part of apples. This is where the pectin is, and it's very healthy. It's fiber, so some remove the skin, but here at home we don't do that. We leave the skin on. Okay, around 4 cups. I'm sorry, 4 pounds, 4 pieces of medium-sized apple. That's it. 100 grams sugar. You can also use brown sugar, but at the moment I don't have brown sugar, so I will use a white sugar. Half of the lemon. Now we need a lemon zest first, and half of it we will use vanilla sugar and baking powder and starch, nutmeg and cinnamon. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first we start with the lemon. I love the smell of it. It's so fresh. You can always use more of the lemon zest if you want. It's up to you, but yeah. For this recipe, I will just use 1. And then I will use, of course, the lemon juice afterwards. Okay. Oops, remove it. Okay. So we have that lemon. I think I can still do more of this. And we add the lemon juice. I think I can use this one to squeeze more of the lemon. Okay, and then we add sugar. I will put it now in. Okay, I put a lemon zest and lemon here, and then I will put it in now. Here today I'm using the Pyrex fork because one good thing about it is this is higher, so it's easier to mix the apples. So put it all here. And then I will add the sugar. 70 grams of sugar, but I'm using 100 grams today. I like it a bit sweeter. And of course I will add vanilla sugar, around 8 grams to the dough, and with that nutmeg also, and this is 1/2 tablespoon of nutmeg, and also cinnamon. Okay, we can add also a little bit of vanilla flavor, vanilla aroma, and 1 tablespoon of starch, cornstarch. Okay, so it looks like this now, and then we're just going to mix everything. I'm going to use my clean hand to mix everything first. It smells so good. Yeah, sorry. It is autumn time for harvest. Okay, so we're back again, and now we're going to do the biscuit dough, and for that we need around 170 grams of cold butter and around 100 grams of sugar. We will mix it first. And sugar. Okay, so now we're going to add the flour, around 240 grams of flour, 15 grams of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Then I will add 50 milliliters of milk. Okay, so we're done mixing, and we're going to bake the cake or the apple cobbler in 45 minutes long, 170 degree centigrade. It looks like this. I mean 170 degrees Celsius. So it looks like this now. Apples underneath, and on the top are the dough. Okay, so let's put it in the oven. Thank you so much for watching, and please do leave comments below if you like the video. If you like my videos. Actually, I have made already around 13 videos in baking and cooking with Elle. And yeah, if you have any opinion or comments, please just do leave comments below. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like and subscribe and share. Okay, bye for now. Thank you for watching. Okay, so we're done baking, and this is the final result of American Apple Cobbler. Smells so good. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now. Love, Elle. Okay, so now we're going to cut the apple cobbler. Fresh from the oven. Oh man, I left it for around 20 minutes now to cool down a bit. Ooh, there you go. Let's get a little bit piece of this. Okay. We can add a little bit of whipped cream or vanilla ice cream or whatever kind of ice cream. Okay, so that is our American apple cobbler. You can add either vanilla ice cream, and for my apple cobbler I use whipped cream. Guten Appetit!